just wanna feel alive.
So we are celebrating our 5th marriage anniversary, and for this anniversary the menu I had chosen is the 5 vegetables. These are the very traditional vegetables we get in India, and luckily I had got here in France. So I decided to make this an Indian meal of 5 vegetables, and I hope you love this celebration. It was a short and sweet and simple celebration at home. So here it is the dal rice, a simple rice, boiled rice and a moong dal. Then here is the bean vegetables, then this is the papdi ki bhaji, lal bhaji, dodka chi bhaji and karela chips, puri, and this is amras and papad and thecha. Simple vegetarian food. And actually my best friend Titya, she has given me one surprise anniversary gift. I have not opened it still, so I am going to open this with you all. She has given this for like the gift for our 5th marriage anniversary. So I'm going to check this. देखते क्या है. Smells so good. Wow. Smell तो बहुत अच्छा. Wow, it's a bath and body set. It's very nice. It's smelling so good. Let's open it. Woo! Okay, so she's given me this Sephora's bath and body set. अच्छा यार, nice. Wow, this smells so good. Cherry blossom का है वो भी. Wow. Smells so good. Wow, it's too good soap. I don't use this sophisticated products, okay? But thank you, Titya. Thank you so much for pampering me on my marriage anniversary. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. I'm not used to using all these sophisticated products. No, thank you. Thanks so much. It's really nice. Thanks, Titya. Hi everyone. So today we celebrated our 5th marriage anniversary, and this was a little cozy marriage anniversary celebrated because we were busy in the work. So we celebrated it together in the home in a simple way. And so I had made this, it was a vegetarian menu, made this 5 so I made this vegetarian dishes. It was 5 vegetables and Amras Puri. Amras Puri, I hope all Maharashtrians, they know. It's a very nice, it's a mango pulp and puri is like a simple small flat bread. So it was delicious, it was simple. We are so full now after the lunch, and even he is full. So it's yeah, we celebrated this a cozy marriage anniversary. We both of us, we didn't give each other any gift because I think giving materialistic gift is, I think we both think like that giving materialistic gift is nothing. It's your presence is important for that person, and
the food was good, so that itself counts as a gift.
Yes, exactly.
It was delicious and he liked as well.
Yeah. So yeah, your presence is important, and celebrating it together in a simple way, homely way, that is more important. And thank you for all our family and friends for sending your wishes. Mummy, I, Pratik, Priyanka, my brother, my bhabhi, my sister, everyone. Thank you for sending your good wishes, and thank you. Thank you for all the, thank you my friends, our friends, Titya especially. Titya and Shibam, for because she gave me her surprise marriage anniversary gift. It was not expected, but she gave me a Sephora bath and body shops these products. It was nice.
Soap, body wash and all.
Yeah, I have never pampered myself like this by buying any body and bath work shops. But it was nice, and thank you Titya for this wonderful gift. Thank you for pampering me with this gift. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone for sending your wishes on our 5th marriage anniversary. We are very blessed and thankful to the God for celebrating these years together. It's not like always happy days. It's there are ups and downs like in every
it's there in every couple, so that's fine.
Yeah, it's there in every couple, but that is the most strongest part in every couple or any friendship, that in your good times and in your bad times you spend time together. That is most important, and being there together, that is more important. So I think we both of us, our relationship more than a husband and wife, we are like best friends.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes, it's more like best friend with him as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are thankful to the Almighty God for blessing us together and for a nice nice day spent together.
Yes.
And I think I don't know, like from the experience or the advice, I would say that spend time together more. You don't have to give some expensive gift to each other, or expensive gift to each other, or
time is more important than gifts.
Exactly. Spending time together, and don't expect a lot of things. Accept the person as he is or she is, and love each other more, and love this fellow also. So yeah, our relation is more like an best friends than like a
husband and wife. Which song you which song you remember? The best friends. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। Thank you everyone for being with us in this marriage anniversary celebration. It was simple celebration, celebrate life. So until next time, we are going to see you all in our next vlog. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Stay happy, stay positive, enjoy every moment of life. And until next time, keep making lots and lots of beautiful memories.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Aruvar. Bye bye. So on this best friends, on this best friends, कौन सा गाना याद आ रहा है?
मुझे तो कोई नहीं याद आ रहा है।
मुझे